Did you know, in your GCSE Maths exam, you only have 67.5 seconds per mark? Because you have to finish the exam in 90 minutes, and that's 80 marks. So, if you spend 5 minutes on a 1-mark question, you just wasted 4 marks worth of time. GCSE is not just maths, it's speed and strategy. Let me show you how to grab easy marks fast. First question, which lines are parallel? It looks easy, but listen. Yes, sometimes you see matching arrow marks on the diagram, but in math, we do not assume, even if two lines look like they will never meet. Never assume in math. Math follows definitions, always. So parallel lines, they are parallel because they have the same gradient or equal slope. They don't meet because their slopes are equal, not because they look nice and straight. In math, we don't trust our eyes. We trust the definition. Same slope, parallel lines. Different slope, they will intersect somewhere. This is a 1-mark question. You have 67.5 seconds. Secure it. Move on. And remember, never love someone parallel to you because you'll never meet. Next question. There are 4 points with whole number coordinates where x plus y is equal to 3. How are you going to solve this problem? This is 2-mark questions. First, define whole numbers. Whole numbers are no negatives, no decimals, no fractions. So that means x and y must be a whole number. So since we already know the meaning of whole numbers, let's understand the equation. The equation is x plus y is equal to 3. This means if we choose a value of x, I can calculate y, right? Since whole numbers start at 0, we begin with let x is equal to 0. Substitute the value of x, then we'll get the value of y, that is 3. That's already 1 point. Coordinates 0, 3. Now let x is equal to 1. Substitute to the equation, we'll get y is equal to 2. Our second point, 1, 2. Next, x is equal to 2. Let's compute for y. Y will be 1. Third point, 2, 1. Last, let x be equal to 3. Substitute it to the equation, we'll get the value of y is equal to 0. That's our fourth point, 3, 0. Now ask yourself, can x be equal to 4? If we let x equal to 4, the y will be negative 1. Negative 1 is not a whole number, so we stop. We also can't let x equal to negative 1 because negative 1 is not a whole number. Did you get my point? Always follow the definition and the equation. No guessing, no magic, just systematic substitution. This is exactly how examiners expect you to think. And remember, this is worth 3 marks. We just answered a 3-mark question in less than 3 minutes with explanation and love advice from me. Now I want to know, for those of you still watching, have you ever loved someone parallel to you? Drop a comment. By the way, what if 2 lines don't meet? And they're not parallel either. And they're not even on the same flat surface. Those are called skew lines. That's 3D geometry. We'll break that down next video. Follow for more.